So we had our equation 3x minus 2y plus 6 equals 0 written in standard form from question number 1, and we found its y equals mx plus b equivalent as y equals 3 over 2x plus 3. Now looking at the y equals mx plus b form, we can see that anything that precedes the x in this form is the slope, and in this case that would be 3 over 2. Likewise, b equals 3, and that means our y-intercept is 3. Knowing this information, I can graph the line. So I'm going to plot a point here for the y-intercept at 3, and I can see that our slope is positive, meaning the graph is going to go in this direction. So I'm going to draw a straight line going through the y-intercept, and it's not to scale, however, it is accurate. And I'm going to label the graph y equals 3 over 2x plus 3, and that is the graph of the line.